Normally, I do all of the video for this by myself, but today I'm bringing in an assistant. So my assistant is going to shoot video the entire time and hand me lumber, and we're going to see if we can get the fence fixed in under, I'm going to say 5 minutes from the moment that we actually get out there and start doing stuff. I got all my tools prepped, ready to go here. I got tool belt, hammer, nail puller, which we call a cat's paw, and screw gun. That's all charged up and ready to go. I don't anticipate there being any issues other than my assistant walking away from when we're ready to go. So that's already happened. First delay on the book. So let's head outside and let's get going here. The last couple of times I've actually just put together a time-lapse video, and I think that's mainly because I think most people just want to see what's happening. Not that dialogue hurts or anything like that, but you know, it's just part of the video. So let's take a look at what we've got right here. So I had a couple just regular 2x4s sitting in the garage. Pulled them out, standard 8-foot length. Had a toenail into both sides there, and that worked well. So I'm gonna slap this tool belt on after I get across the fence. And this is gonna be our biggest issue, is just getting back across the thing. Because everything's gotta be done on this side. So I need some pieces, so if all the pieces could be thrown over here, that would be ideal. And then I can get going. I'm being super cheap because I really don't see.
What am I supposed to do?
Set it down. I really don't see the point of spending any money on a fence that I don't care about, look at, see, any of that stuff to fix when I've got all of the, you know, the pieces that I need right here. The biggest difficulty is going to be putting the jigsaw puzzle back together. There's some pieces there that are broken. Yesterday it was hot and rainy. Today it's pretty brisk, to say the least. So, which one of these looks like it broke out over there? So it really doesn't matter what we're doing here, other than setting first screw going in. Remember, goal's under 5 minutes. So the most important thing I think when looking at this is I don't care which board goes where on the bottom. There's a certain number of boards that go there. I'm lining up what looks like a moss line on the bottom, kind of. Screwing those in. This one's got a nail. That knocked out of there. This is the cat's paw I was talking about. If you do any rough carpentry, or you're thinking about doing it, might want one. It's really nice for pulling nails out of boards. There, I'm down to no nails left. So I need one more. Ooh, see, look at this. Barely high enough to catch a corner here. Got one more bottom board. bottom. Oh, no, that's a top. This is a top. This is a top. Missing one. Is there one more over there?
Nope.
No, those are all 2x. Is it this one here?
Maybe.
There it is. No? I don't know if that's it or not. Well, what I can do while I'm thinking about that, the nice part is
Yep, that's
look at that. Puzzles coming together. Come on. Okay, there's that one. This hook on here, awesome. One of my favorite things. That's absolutely not correct.
It's that. Definitely.
Okay, there's that one. I'm just gonna set that because I know where that goes. This one goes.
Flip it. Turn it around.
No, because look, you've got your wear marks here and
Oh.
here. So it's gonna sit somewhere.
Is that not a bottom?
No, that is a bottom. You're looking at it correctly. I thought you meant turn it around.
Yeah.
Look at that. That's one. How's that look there?
Yep.
Can you see the wear mark? That look good?
Yep.
Okay. So now we're working on top pieces.
That's definitely the other one, but flip it around.
Huh?
Flip it around? No?
What? It's got a dog ears on the top. So.
No, I
Couple.
meant this way.
Again, your pattern right here
Yeah.
is where the board was here. So I think it could be here.
And then that little piece.
Yeah, I've got a bunch of broken pieces over here. This one was here.
Yeah.
Aha. Goes like this. Goes right here. What would you guesstimate the temperature is right now?
It's 32.
32? Is that science?
That's
Or
what my
opinion?
watch says.
Watch.
Yeah.
Oh, snug like a bug in a rug. Okay, there's that. That other piece for this may be buried somewhere.
That's got to be this one.
Which
Flip it over.
This one?
Flip it over.
Like this?
Yeah.
Well, who installed this? Okay, there's that, there's that.
You push it down
Yep,
anymore?
I'm gonna. Oh, that's all it does.
That's pretty good.
So there's that one. Okay. Find the middle piece later here. Can't feel my hands, so. There's that. I know that this piece, based on process of elimination, goes here. How's that look? We're missing. Oh, I found the piece. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that for the moment. There is things generally put back together in around 5 minutes. So again, like, I don't really care how this looks. I'm gonna scab some boards on the back of this to make it a little bit more structurally sound, but for the most part, that is it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.